Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, open your English textbook, page number 44. Yes children, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, My Red Bicycle. Yes children, the title of this chapter is My Red Bicycle. Yes, so children, today we are going to read about a red bicycle. Yes students, so now we all love to ride bicycle. Yes, now we all love to ride a bicycle. Yes, so children, today we are going to read about a red bicycle. Yes, so children, before moving to the chapter, let's do warm up activity. Okay, so children, look at in this warm up box. Look at the names of places and pictures of vehicles. Match the places to the vehicle that you will take to go there. So children, what we have to do? Yes, so here you can see some pictures of vehicles. Yes, here children you can see some pictures of some transport. Yes, so children, vehicle andre enu? Vehicle andre enu children? Vehicle andre vahanagalu. Okay, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಹನಗಳು. ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಹನಗಳು. ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಹನಗಳು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, so here look at the pictures. Here children, see here is written Andaman Island. Yes, here is written Andaman Island. So children, what is meant by island? Island means pieces of land which covers with water. Okay, island means what children? Island means pieces of land which covers with water. ಸೊ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ್ವೀಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ್ವೀಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ್ವೀಪ, ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಹನಗಳು, ಗೇವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಸಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವ್. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ pieces of land which covers with water. Yes, to reach their lands, to reach islands, what we have to do? We need to go by a ships. Yes, we can't go with a bus or with train. Yes, we need to go by a ships only. Yes children, we need to go by a ships only. We can't go by a train, we can't go by bus there. Yes, because island is a land which covers with water. Yes, which covers with water. So children, so we need to reach there. What we have to reach there? We need to go by a ships only. Yes, now here Andaman Island ge by ship play ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Yes, then ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಂದ್ರೆ we can go by a train. Yes, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಜಿಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ದಿಂದ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Isn't it children? ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ನಾವು ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ದಿಂದ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಲಂಡನ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಲಂಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಲಂಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಎಸ್, ಲಂಡನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಬಹಳ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನು ಯಾವ ಥರದಿಂದ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು? ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ಟ್ರೈನ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗೋದಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ಅ ಬಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ವಿ ಗೋ ಬೈ ಅ ಬಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿತು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ದ್ವೀಪ. ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಹನಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, I hope it's clear. Okay, I hope you getting my point. Now turn the page. Here children see, I am Aman. I will read this para. Listen to me carefully. Okay children, and put your finger on the line where I am reading. I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. My Abbu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. My Abbu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. My bicycle is a second-hand one. Its seat cover is slightly torn, but I love my bicycle. Abbu told me, you must take good care of your bicycle. I clean my bicycle every day. Abbu is my father. He has a green scooter. He goes to office on his scooter. So children, yes, look at in this picture. Here you can see this is Aman and he is Aman's father. Yes, he is Aman's Abbu. Abbu means father, papa. Okay, Abbu means father. So here children you can see, yes, here he is Aman and he is Aman's Abbu. Okay, so Aman is telling, now here the speaker name is Aman. Okay children, the speaker name is Aman. So Aman, he is saying that my bicycle, that his bicycle is not a new one. Yes, it is a second hand. So second hand andre enu children? Second hand ಅಂದರೆ ಬಳಸಿದ ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿರುವ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇರೆಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿರುವ, ಬಳಸಿದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. So Aman ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? here ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರು? Aman. Aman ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? I have a red bicycle. My Abbu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. So he is saying that I have a red bicycle and this bicycle is not a new one. My Abbu, my father, gave it to me on my last birthday, on my 7th birthday last year. That means now he is 8 years old. Yes, so my bicycle is a second hand one. Means he is saying that the bicycle is not new one. Its seat cover is slightly torn. So here children, who is Aman? Tell me. Yes children, tell me, who is Aman? Aman is a boy and speaker of this chapter. Aman is saying that I have a red bicycle. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು red bicycle ಇದೆ and my Abbu gave it to me. Yes, ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರದು ಒಂದು red bicycle ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ. Yes, my Abbu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. My bicycle is a second hand word. He is saying that my bicycle is not new one. Second hand means ಬಳಸಿದ, ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿರುವ. So here children, Aman is telling that my bicycle is not new one and its seat cover is slightly torn. Torn andre ಏನು children? Torn andre ಏನು? ಹರಿ, ನಂದೇನು ಸೀಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಹರಿದವೆ. Yes, so its seat cover is slightly torn. Here you can see children, here the seat cover is torn. Yes, torn means फटा हुआ. But I love my bicycle. But still I love my bicycle. तो देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे जो अमन है वो कैसे बोल रहा है? यस, मेरी साइकिल क्या है? न्यू नहीं है. यस, सेकेंड हैंड है, लेकिन उसकी थोड़ी सीट कवर है वो फट चुकी है, लेकिन फिर भी वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Still he loves his cycle. Yes, his bicycle. Abbu told me you must take good care of your bicycle. He is saying that his father has told him that he must take good care of his bicycle. Yes, I clean my bicycle every day. ಅಮನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ನ ಡೈಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಬ್ಬು ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್. ಎಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಫಾದರ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಬು ಕಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್. ಎಸ್, He goes to office on his scooter. So children, here the Aman is a child and he have a red bicycle and his Abbu gave it to him on his 7th birthday last year. So children, the red bicycle is a second hand one and its seat cover is also slightly torn. But Aman loves his bicycle. Yes. So Aman says that his father told him that he must take good care of his bicycle. Yes, and he cleans his bicycle every day. Yes, children. So his father has a green scooter and he goes to the office on a scooter. Yes, children. I hope you getting my point. Yes. So Aman ಏನಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗದ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಕಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಅದು ರೆಡ್ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಸೀಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹರಿದಿದೆ. But still he loves his bicycle very much. Yes. So children, the next part of the story we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.